exomoon of Jupiter Europa, Proxima Centauri V, Kepler 186f, and the Earth. Welcome. My name is Reynoso Vanderhorst. I'm a PhD student at the University of Wolverhampton, and today I'm going to be talking about the framework of drone adoption on the planet Earth, regulatory, practical, and business implications in the Dominican Republic. This is a presentation for the thesis in EC3, and investors, bankers, engineers, and scientists, they have been looking for different application of technologies in our cities and community, especially for unmanned aerial system or drones. Some of the application that people think when we talk about drone is about drone for cargo, like transport on air, like in the air, and different others, but we haven't covered the gap in knowledge in the application of this exponential technology. So therefore, this research was intended to carry out. So how did we do it? So we interviewed 24 participants experienced in the Dominican Republic, and based on the interview, we illustrate 3 cases of studies. These cases of studies exemplify how the drone is used for mapping to make reconstruction of the physical space into a cyberspace, and then we make conclusion based on this approach. We identify first that the operation of drones require standardizations in each vertical for construction, agriculture, or any other kind of sector. Then the machine per se needs some improvement as a battery life, sensor, format, and interoperability to be capable of integration in different workflows. Number 3, some laws has to be changed in the Dominican Republic in order to be useful to legally accepted for different professionals. Being policies and internal capability of public and private and non-profit organizations, they need to change. Finally, the future words are in the scenario where this kind of aerial robots, they're going to be incorporating artificial intelligence, and the operation is going to be driven by a machine. So I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you so much for your time, and I would like to listen to your comments. Thank you.